And good afternoon, Southeast Texas. An enhanced risk, that's level 3 on the severe weather risk chart. From roughly around, we'll say about I-10 northward through the lakes area. Then a slight risk for south sections of the area from roughly Interstate 10 southwards. Again, the potential for severe weather is there. I think there's going to be a very low probability of tornado threats, maybe a 2% chance. It's mainly damaging winds, and that has to be at least 58 miles an hour or greater. And you can have hail, but it has to be 1 inch or greater for it to be damaging for severe thunderstorms to occur. And again, remember, watch conditions are favorable. All the ingredients are there, but a warning is when you need to act. That's when it's imminent or occurring. Again, I think things are going to be winding down over the next hour or so. In fact, radar is showing that. And again, we've had to increase our threat for flooding now that some areas have picked up 6 to 8 inches of rainfall this afternoon in through portions of well, southern Jasper County. But again, I think it's mainly going to be damaging winds and hail threat after about 3 a.m. 3 to about 7 a.m. is when we expect the squall line to move through. That's when I think the biggest threat of damaging winds and hail will be in our forecast. Taking a look over in Lake Charles, a lot of low clouds, rain falling over at L'Auberge Casino Resort. And again, a flash flood warning. The good news is that the rain is moving out of the area. Cells weakening up towards Tyler County, but the rains that really submerged eastern Hardin, southern Jasper, southern Newton, and northern Orange County pretty much out of that box. That's until 5:45 p.m. A little closer inspection shows the last bit of this rain in through mid-county back over to BC and Port Arthur. Had some wind gusts around 40 miles an hour in and around sections of southern, well, into Beaumont, let's say that, and also into southern sections of Orange County as that cell moves on off to the east. But just a tremendous, unforecastable amount of rainfall in through eastern sections of Hardin County, southern Jasper and Newton, and back over into northern Orange County. 8 inches of rainfall in a matter of just 3 or 4 hours time, falling over into southern sections of Jasper County, hence the flash flood warning in effect. But again, this activity is moving on off towards the south and east, and I think things will be calming down. Now we're going to pay our attention up towards North Texas and really into Arkansas. This line is what we're going to be watching heading on down to the south and east as a squall line that'll be affecting us coming up during the wee hours of the morning. Temperatures are rain cooled into the 60s and 70s. All right, here we go. We're going to take it hour by hour. Rain's moving out. As you can see, we get a break right on through midnight tonight. Hopefully that'll help on the flood threat in through southern Jasper and portions of Hardin and Orange and Newton counties. Then as we head on into about 4 a.m., the squall line will be affecting the lakes area, and then barreling on in, driving on into the triangle roughly between 5, 6, 7 o'clock in the morning. That's when we'll have the biggest threat of wind damage, I believe. Then most of the activity should be out of here by 9 a.m. And then we'll start working on the clouds, and I expect us to have winds out of the northwest, highs lower 80s with sun returning by the middle of the afternoon. So tonight, a 100% coverage of thunderstorms, some possibly severe with damaging winds. Low temperatures will likely be into the mid and upper 60s. And then for tomorrow, 30 to 70% coverage. Best chance of rain after about 7 a.m. here in the triangle. And then the rains will be moving out, sun returns, and we'll see highs in the lower 80s. Extended forecast, beautiful weather as we head on into Thursday and Friday with cool mornings and pleasantly warm, sunny afternoons and low humidity. The weekend looking dry but warming up across southeast Texas. We'll get into this pattern of seeing cloudy nights and sunny afternoons. There's light chance of showers on Monday, but look what happens on Tuesday, Dejanique.
Whoa, we finally hit 90.
It's coming up on beach weather.
I'm hot already.